Hello good people, welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel of your choice, Saint TV, station yevanhu and the only channel yevanhu in Zimbabwe. So my name, I go by the name Uncle Saint. Yes, as usual, I always bring you latest news. I always bring you my latest, my upcoming artist. So today I'm not alone, and I'm not alone. I've got two my guests, and now Bandruka ku introduce Kwamuri. But first and foremost, if you are new kundiona this YouTube channel, I can ask you to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that every time we upload a video you'll be notified. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, that is Saint TV. Saint TV. I was on my mind, we are the leaders when it comes to broadcasting. Yes. Mazgom, Zirkudidi. Aye, murukutoda zvokutotamba sport iri. Because muruona kuti makanba vatamba ruita ndekuti makutoda chaje.
Full time. Full time.
So chekutanga murise. Anditi, ndichangokumbira kuti mutitaurise isu kuti vanatsozvinzwa kuti muri bhuku.
Sisi we are okay.
No, wonderful. Chekutanga zita munombonza nani mi?
20G.
Okay.
Yeah, you know the 23 spark.
23 spark. Na 20G.
Okay.
Perfect. And ipapo woman. Mimi ntanzwa kuti muri kurwa mando ye rap. Anditi, no rap music yacho ne.
Exactly.
Anditi.
Yeah.
Mana muri kutodonza ndandi ke.
Zvodonza nyaya zvosvika kwadzo. Zvodosvika kwadzopera. Dzopera nokwa.
Yeah, dokada tosvika kwadzopera.
Anditi. Alright, tombotanga newe 23 spark. Ndiana kauya idea. Alright, you yourself wakatanga uzokuimba kupi? And say
ndatenga kuimba 2022 ndikuchikoro tangu tanga zvekuda zvekuimba.
Yes.
Ndarida kuchikora chiona vamwe maartist ekunze saka takainspire nemaartist ekunze tingoimbo ipo.
Alright. Ko iwo 20G.
Okay. 20G ratangira kuti takaramba imbozve muna 2020. So tone history pariri.
Alright.
So tinochingofollowa mamwe maartist mamwe marepers ekunze. 20G rakatorwa pa 2020.
Alright.
Vatakatanga music then 20G, more than 40.
More than
5G.
Yeah. Alright, uneko chitoda.
Ndichitoda.
Alright, perfect. So 2025 muri kuona muchienda kupa kuma?
Tiri ready. And 2025 vision yedu very clear.
Alright.
Atauro asidatomisa zve.
Alright.
Asidatomisa zve.
Alright. Saka munombokiwa here zvokunoita mashows kana kunoimba mafunctions, birthday party, GG, mabookings akamira sei?
Zvingori low.
Alright, but you are ready for that?
Yeah, we are ready.
Alright, so number dzenyu dzinochidza vanokwanisa kubata?
Yeah, WhatsApp number dzedu 078 then 114 8056.
Alright. Ko yemakosi
077 36 37 97
Alright. So number dzavo ndo dzandaisa pascreen idzi. Saka munongovabata panhamba idzodzo, WhatsApp nemakosi. So guys, hamungangoendeka muri maartist, munopinda nemumhanzi mobuda futi nechi?
Yeah,
and saka chivakandirai ka freestyle kacho.
Yeah. Okira chikechajo chataka kuva zona opiso kuna Jesu ashuje kwana Judas my one up in my G's nothing again bees no more but then my choose and what's the way I'm trying to play my D started you let's go my G don't call my phone let go boo I'm training the name don't put it by yeah please wash your mouth I don't care my wings Yahweh get my blessings I know every ways no space yeah my skills I'm watching movies. I'm trying to make my skin. Yeah. Don't busy doing shit. Yeah, I'm doing it. Not busy, you got it cool. My city, I don't know. Profit, you got what 10. I'm losing weight. I still. Oh, my Jesus, got my mom. Opanda zokish Gati baby boy makataura chipage Zvemaseko futi ngoma futi zvechiwande Koma manisiya mandibvarira upanze Koma musadaro gamu koma musapanze Yeah Okay let's go
Oyo
Twin Let's go Yeah Some more Yeah Chilima saint Chilima saint Okay Chilima some more Chilima kings Chilima Chilima king Okay Chilima turn around Muri free okay Kuna machizi anopfurira zvinopira Man nowadays what Jesus Christ nobody wants to be Yeah IG Later angle My days ever bitch baby fuji tina angle Amino to my kule Kukubaisa neno shako But it's kano to change To try and trimasi zako Yeah Tinima angle Tinima say Yeah Tinima famo